water-saving devices in rural properties. Here's an interesting one. So those of you who are out in country areas and dealing with some rural properties, you might think, well, what's the deal here? And, you know, we're in the middle of a drought. Well, hopefully we're more towards the end of it, with fingers crossed. But, you know, we have drought conditions. We have a whole range of issues happening for our regional and rural guys. So this question has been raised a number of times, and we've done a bit of research into this. And if there is a tenant in a rural property, and we go back into the Residential Tenancies Act in terms of water-saving devices. And with the water-saving devices, if the property is at the time of taking on the lease, it actually states in the lease that there are water-saving devices on the property. So all of the normal conditions around water-saving devices are there. It has a reading for how much water is in the water tank at that time. Then at the point where there is no water left in that tank, and there's obviously no rainwater coming because of the drought, if the water-saving devices are in place, then it is the tenant's responsibility to pay for water. Therefore, if that means a truck coming in with the water, then that means a truck coming in for the water. However, if there are no water-saving devices and the property is on rainwater tanks, and the no water-saving devices means that the landlord will be responsible for paying that, then the landlord will be paying for those trucks to bring that water in. So guys, check your leases. It has to be written in there, and you have to have a measure on the tank, and you have to have the water-saving devices in if you're wanting the tenant to pay for the water to be brought into the tanks. So that's just a really easy one, but one that, you know, threw us for a second to actually start looking into what actually happens on rural properties. So there's your answer on that one.